Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 11. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. In order to update Windows 11 or Windows 10, you guys have to simply tap on Start option, and here you guys have to select the settings. So after opening up your Windows setting, here you guys have to simply select the last option in left panel, which is Windows Update. So after selecting Windows Update, you guys have to simply tap on Check for Updates. So after tapping on check for updates, if there is any update available, Windows will inform you about it, and you guys can easily update by clicking on update, which should be appear here. If you have already updated, then Windows will also inform you that your Windows is updated. And if you want to check your update history, you guys have to just simply tap on update history button. Here you guys can check what are the updates your Windows have been going through. So if you want to uninstall any of the update, you guys can select uninstall updates, and Windows will back to its normal lower variant. And like this, I have already updated. My last checkup of update is today at 11:33 p.m., which is right now. So it means my Windows is latest and up to date. Windows is saying that you are up to date. So if there is any update available in your system, Windows will ask you for update, which should be appear here. You guys have to just click on it, and in this way you guys can easily update your Windows. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.